Now, hey, listen, if you want to watch your favorite show, I know there's a lot of people out there, and you like some of the Thanksgiving movies. What are your favorite Thanksgiving movies? We talked a little bit with Ray about that in the last segment. Well, I can tell you my favorite Thanksgiving movie, one that we watch in our family. We've done it in the last several years. I mean, the last few years. I don't remember exactly how long, but Planes, Trains, and Automobiles. And I actually went to Rotten Tomatoes and did a search for Thanksgiving movies, and boy, they have like 70 listed there, and some that I wouldn't even have thought of as Thanksgiving movies. In Rocky and Rocky Two, there's Thanksgiving scenes. There's a Spider-Man. One of the Spider-Man movies has Thanksgiving a Thanksgiving scene. Of course, they have Planes, Trains, and Automobiles. Actually, at number five, to but apparently there's some other movies out there that some people may want to watch. Well, what you can do this on Roku. You can also do this. Anything Roku actually is a TV platform, and and some of the TVs actually come with the Roku operating system. If your TV doesn't come with a Roku operating system, you can actually purchase a Roku device and connect it to an HDMI port on your computer, and you'll be able to actually watch. You'll be able to watch TV through the Roku. Also, and by the way, you just connect the Roku to your wireless internet. We've gone over that, how to connect it on this show. We've actually done videos on that, so you can actually watch some of the previous content where we actually show you how to connect a Roku to the internet, and you can see how that's all done. So here's the thing though. We're going to show you how you can actually search for various content. And if you don't have a Roku, there's also Amazon Fire TV or Fire Stick. Those are available as well. Google has their own TV app out now. Apple has Apple TV. And you can even just go to the Roku website or even do a search. And some of these channels are available on the web if you don't have a Roku device. We've also shown you on this show in the past how you can connect, if you have an HDMI port on your computer, how you can connect your computer to your television. There's also ways that you can do so wirelessly, although connecting with a HDMI cable is actually more secure and more reliable. So what we're doing though is we're going to actually just go and do a search here. So we're going to do a search, and what we're going to search for is we're just going to search for Thanksgiving. And you're going to see that there's a lot of content that you'll be able to actually watch on Thanksgiving. And so as we're typing, in fact, you see here Thanksgiving, and there's Thanksgiving movies. So I'm just going to limit it to Thanksgiving movies. So if we see here Grumpy Old Man, that's one of the ones that showed up. Beethoven, a lot of these did show up on the Rotten Tomatoes. And you see all of this content. And when you go and look at these content, they're going to show you, first of all, how you can watch it. Some of the movies you can watch completely free. Other movies may require a subscription, but they're going to show you various ways. And Holiday Inn is another one. It covers a lot of holidays. And that's one I believe my wife probably has watched it. And if she hasn't, she probably will want to watch it. And so there's a lot of, even some horror movies for Thanksgiving. I don't know who would want to watch horror movies for Thanksgiving. But my favorite is to actually, and I'm actually going to go up here, and let me just delete what I'm searching for here, and I'm gonna just search for Planes, Trains, and Automobiles, because I don't know about you, but that is my favorite. And in fact, you know what? That just shows up as a suggestion over here. So when we click on Planes, Trains, and Automobiles, there's various ways that this can be watched. So you can actually get an MGM Plus subscription, and they have a 2-month trial for 99 cents. I'm not sure if that's 99 cents a month for 2 months, or if it's just 99 cents and you watch it for 2 months, but $7.99 a month afterward. Now, it's also available on Paramount Plus. There's a free trial of that. It's available completely free on the Roku app. There's also 12 other ways to watch, and as we can see here, we see the MGM, Paramount Plus, Roku. It's also on Fubo, so if you have Fubo, live TV and sports, you can sign in, subscribe. Prime TV, you can actually buy it on Prime TV for $3.99. Or I'm not sure if that's a rent or, well, it says requires purchase, so I guess you would own it at that point. So you also have Pluto TV. So Pluto TV is another free content where you can watch free movies on Pluto TV. And Pluto and Roku, you can both do those on their website as well. There's Plex, where you can actually purchase it, Apple TV, where you can purchase it, and again, Paramount Plus, DirecTV, Philo, you have to subscribe, Fandango at home, you have to actually purchase it there. So MGM Plus again, and then ROW8 movies that you love, AMC Plus on Roku Channel. And that movie is actually available December 1st. Why would you want to wait until after Thanksgiving to watch it? I mean, that's crazy, especially when you can watch it right now for free. So if we go over to the Roku channel and we click on it, this is really cool to be able to watch movies for free. Now, when you're watching movies for free, you are going to have some ads. But and the movie might be, the version that's for TV, which might be modified just a little bit. But in my opinion, you can't beat watching it for free. And watching it on demand, not having to watch it at a certain time, a certain day of the week. This is really pretty awesome to be able to watch this. If you need any help with this, give us a call, 772-878-5978.
You're listening to a Faster PC Radio here, heard every Saturday in the 10 o'clock hour.